So the first video would be treating the frown lines. So these two lines, they're so-called also 11 lines, and they are formed because when we do like this, so the eyebrows are drawn in, these muscles are becoming tensed, and this creates a permanent static or dynamic lines around in between the eyebrows. So for this is a fairly simple application. It's important to use a face tape because it's much milder than, let's say, a body tape. Body tape can be a little bit too harsh for the skin on the face. So cutting first about 5 centimeters of the tape, and then I'm going to fold it in half and cut. We have 5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters, and then I'm just gonna measure from the inner eyebrow up to about the arch. So that's how much of a tape we need. So I'm gonna cut 1 centimeter off. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna round the corners so there is no sharp edges. So we have two exactly identical tapes. So now I'm going to rip about a centimeter, and then I'm gonna put it just above the arch of the eyebrow. So now I'm gonna pull it out, and then grabbing the paper and stretching the tape. So we're pulling the skin out and stretching the tape and apply here. So you should be feeling the pull out because we want these lines to be smooth. And then you just rub it to activate the glue. Very importantly, do it on cleansed skin, but not totally dry. I would suggest to use a little bit of a serum or very, very mild moisturizer, so that when you leave it on and then take it off, it's not gonna be too harsh for your skin. So again, I took about 1 centimeter of the paper. I stick the tape or to just above the eyebrow, and then just gonna release this paper. So I'm gonna pull the skin out and then stretch the tape, and then rub it to activate. So I keep this application for overnight, or if you're using it in a daytime, you can keep out, say, 4 hours should be absolute minimum. With the consistency of 5 times per week, for about duration of 3 to 4 weeks, you should be able to see how much of a difference and improvements does it make. It also re-educates your muscles to not frown even when you're not having a tape. No more frowning.